Hello guys, it's another beautiful day here in Eldoret, the home of champions, back in Kenya. Yeah, we have taken a walk out of curiosity to see something. Let me show you something. You see this one? This is a very, very big dam behind me. A very, very big dam behind me. And this dam was a result of mining stones for construction. Actually, it was a quarry back then some years ago. It's a very big dam, and it has a blue water. Yeah, green, or some green water. You cannot see it. It's not this dam, there's a story behind this dam. We were told when we are young, when we are growing up, they were telling us, you know what, don't visit there. When you visit there, you will find someone with a long hair sitting on the stone. There's a stone there. Sitting on the stone. On the stone, in the middle of the stone, feeling the warm sun. So when that person sees you, or you see that person, eventually you find yourself drawing in that water, and you believe you live with him or her. So actually they were meaning man-made, something like a man-made live in this big dam. Then they told us, you know what, this dam, when you come and you throw stone in this dam, that stone will eventually come land on your feet. It will not go on the water because of the mysterious thing behind the dam. So don't try. Then the third thing, which I've done my research. Okay. Which I've done my research in this dam. They actually, someone is telling me to go. It is a restricted area. So people, they see that some people comes here and drown themselves in this dam and they die. So actually, to visit this dam, you have to be identified, so that you can be identified in this dam. So another myth which they told us is that, you know what, in this dam, people who are mining this dam, they draw inside. Even their machine have not been taken, because out of the result of water pressure, when they mine, there was an explosion of water, very high pressure of water, so it was hard to remove them, and they drawn inside with their machine still inside here. So that one, I have done my research. Truly it's true. Things are inside that dam. They have never been taken out. They're inside there. But we are still doing our curiosity and looking how we can, looking and see if the story behind seeing someone in this dam, and then the story of actually a story of throwing the stone in the water, we have find the conclusion is not true, because I have tried so, and the stone went far away, so that is not true. So today, guys, we have explored this dam, and please tune in, subscribe, and turn on a notification bell for any update video. It's your guy Kevin. See you then, guys.